Chapter 4 Animals, the Living Wonders. Cat. Hello, students! This poem charmingly captures the whimsical and carefree nature of cats. The versatility of cats in finding places to sleep is discussed. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open drawer, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box, with your frogs anywhere. They don't care, cats sleep anywhere. The poem describes how cats comfortably sleep in various places such as table, chairs, on top of pianos, window ledges, empty shoes, drawers, laps, and cardboard boxes. Cats are indifferent to their sleeping spots, highlighting their carefree and adaptable nature. This portrayal reminds us of the charming and unique traits of our furry friends, the boy and the butterfly. Hello, students! This story is about a butterfly, how it turned from a caterpillar into a butterfly and how it became unable to fly. So, let's find out. Hamid loved caterpillars. One day he found one. He took the caterpillar home. He took care of it. He gave it plenty of food and water. One day the caterpillar started creating a cocoon. How exciting! Hamid couldn't wait to see the butterfly. And then it happened. A small hole appeared in the cocoon. The butterfly started struggling to come out. Hamid was so excited. The butterfly was trying hard to get out. It looked like the butterfly was not going to break free. Hamid felt pity for the butterfly. He decided to help. Appa tried to stop him, but he quickly got a pair of scissors. He cut the cocoon to make the hole bigger. The butterfly quickly broke out of the cocoon. But alas, the butterfly had a puffy body and small wings. Hamid sat and watched the butterfly carefully. He waited eagerly. He thought,
"At any moment, the butterfly will fly out."
But it never happened. The butterfly lived all its life with the same body. It was never able to fly. This was a lesson for Hamid. Appa said to him,
"The butterfly must work hard to get out of the cocoon. When it pushes hard, the liquid inside its body comes out. Then it can fly around. Without hard work, the butterfly can never ever fly."
Hamid thought he was helping the butterfly, but sadly he hurts it. Hamid loved caterpillars. One day he brought her home, where the caterpillar had made a cocoon. Hamid was happily waiting for the butterfly to emerge. As the butterfly struggled to get out of the cocoon, Hamid came down to help the butterfly. But with this, the butterfly emerged with a bloated body and small wings, which was not perfect for flying. Hamid learned from this experience that helping hinders the butterfly's development. Natural processes and hard work are necessary for a butterfly to escape from our bonds.